Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and I am answering a publicly posted question on avo.com where people post questions for attorneys. So I'm going to try to give an answer here because it's kind of a complex question. I thought a video might be the best way to address it. I'm going to really paraphrase this one because there's a lot to this question. There's a lot going on here, but it seems like there's a work site or company, and they have multiple people of Puerto Rican national origin. They have multiple people of Dominican national origin. Some of the people of Puerto Rican descent, some of them speak Spanish fluently, some not as fluently. And there seems to be an aspect where some of these people are making comments about the person who asked the question. They're making comments about his or her lover, and they're very derogatory comments. They're pretty hateful, and then they get well, here I'll use the exact language. Um, and one of the two made the situation racist, is what this person asking the question says. And their question is, there's two questions. Is it discrimination to enforce the rules biasedly? And yes, if you're being biased in if you're showing bias in how you enforce the rules, let's look at what the bias is, right? So if they're showing preference to people of Dominican national origin, or they're showing preference to people of Puerto Rican national origin, if that's what's going on, or if there's some gender aspect here, it sounds like I mean, the way you're writing it almost sounds like there's also some gender discrimination. I don't have a lot of the genders in the question, but it seems like that could be going on here too. So if gender or race or national origin is what's causing the uneven application of the rules, that would qualify as workplace discrimination. And the second question, is it discrimination based on neighborhood? No. So generally speaking, neighborhoods are not a protected class, right? If you say, so I'm from Long Island City, if I'm like, oh, I'm from Long Island City, not originally from Long Island City, I'm from upstate New York, but I live there now. So I say, oh, I'm from Long Island City, and people don't like me because I'm from LIC, Long Island City. Probably not protected. But if instead you're saying, hey, these people are targeting me because I'm of this national origin, this descent, and um, that causes them to like me less, well, that is a claim, right? That's different, and that's something we'd have to get into specifics to talk about whether or not that's actionable. What do they actually say? What do they actually do? How are they treating you differently? What's the negative workplace consequence? These are all questions we'd have to get into, but I think any employment attorney who is worth his or her salt would be thrilled to have that conversation with you. They should. They owe it to you. It's our job to help, right? I hope, speaking of helping, I hope this video helped, and I hope it clarified some things, and I'm sorry you have to deal with this at work. You're just trying to earn a living, and there's a pandemic going on, and you got to go and listen to these idiots run their mouth about whoever you're dating, and it's a hassle. I'm sorry. Stay safe out there.